In this video you will get 5 best portable blender. If you want more information about these products, just follow description box link and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the next video. Portable blenders are small yet powerful accessories for making smoothies on the go. Their efficient battery-powered designs are beneficial to campers. Hikers, workout enthusiasts and truckers who spend many days on the road can also benefit from a new one for 2 reasons. First, transporting them is a breeze. Some of the best models fit seamlessly in backpacks and handbags. They have low-maintenance all-in-one designs that do not need skill to set up and use. Let's have a quick look at the top 5 best portable blenders. Number 5. Taxoo Personal Glass Smoothie Blender. Taxoo is a single-serve blender and fruit mixer that is suitable for traveling. It is durable, easy to use, and has a rechargeable 5200 mAh battery that can handle most blending jobs. Its system can pulverize soft fruits such as strawberries and mangoes in a few seconds. Moreover, if you enjoy vegetable juices, its steel blades, stainless, can blend most of such ingredients with ease. Once charged, you press a button, and it does the rest for you. Taxoo is popular among homeowners and campers because of its heavy-duty design. The borosilicate glass used to make its cup, for instance, is durable, stain-resistant, and lacks elements such as BPA. The blender also has a durable ABS shell with steel accents, silver, that improve its outlook and structural integrity. Number 4. Ninja QB3001SS Personal Blender. The meticulous designs of Ninja blenders make them ideal items for use indoors and outdoors. To make juice or smoothies like a professional, for instance, check out the QB3001SS Personal Blender. Its powerful system can blend both fresh and frozen fruits and vegetables. It is also suitable for food prepping and can make shakes and smoothies in minutes via its pulse technology. Once loaded with ingredients, you press a button for it to blend. The 700-watt motor in this portable blender excels where many have failed. Apart from blending both fruits and vegetable into a homogeneous mixture, it maximizes the extraction of vitamin and nutrients as well. The motor also has a quiet and cool running design, which makes up to 16 ounces of delicious juices per session. Number 3. Oberly Portable Blender. He 3D blades in the Oberly Portable Blender do a better job than the standard 2D ones do. It is also large, 12 ounces, and has a portable battery-powered design that you can use indoors and on the road. Which types of beverages can this handheld blender make? First, if you enjoy smoothies, consider ordering one now. It also makes shakes, juices, and mixed fruits wire-free and in just 90 seconds. The Li-ion battery it uses charges in 2 to 3 hours via USB. Oberly is an FDA-approved portable blender made from BPA-free components. The 10 to 12 cup bottle on offer, for instance, has a clear shell for monitoring progress. The thick plastic used to make the cup is durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean after use. Its 2000 mAh motor does not overheat over time, while its 6-point stainless steel blade 304 does not dull nor breaks easily. Number 2. Sinkerd Professional Countertop Blender. Extremely good for anti-aging, hydration. Sinkerd prepares milkshakes, iced drinks, and vegetable drinks without consuming a lot of counter space. Moreover, because it is a battery-powered product, you can carry it to your camping site and use it on demand. How does this countertop blender differ from standard ones? First, you are getting a wireless, 100% product that works well indoors and outdoors. It is also easier to set up and has a high-capacity container, 15 ounces, that lasts long. Sinkerd does not require a lot of effort to use. Once loaded with ingredients, all you have to do is press and hold a button to make juice. It makes smoothies and shakes as well and can juice fruits and vegetables as well. All parts are durable and tested for safety. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Personal Smoothie Blender. Hamilton Beach is a portable blender that doubles as a travel cup with lid. It is large, 14 inches, stylish, and has a lightweight design that you can around issue-free. It works well in homes and offices. Hikers and campers who enjoy fresh beverages can also benefit from one for many reasons. First, you do not need a source of electricity for this blender to work. Once charged, you use it for many minutes to blend fruits, vegetables, and powders. The 175-watt motor in the Hamilton Beach blender works fast and seamlessly. It does not overheat while in use. It is also quiet and has a power-efficient design that conserves battery power. Apart from juice, thus, you can use Hamilton Beach to prepare salad dressings, marinade, and baby formula, shakes, and smoothies. Check description box link to know more about these products. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe our channel. If you have any question about these top 5, you can leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.